kayo ng dalawa. So, meaning to say, yung half has already explained the other half of the topic. Nakuha? So, this is a possible strategy in classroom discussion, especially for mature learners, like basic education, particularly in high school. Pero hindi siya pwedeng gawin sa later months. But ideally, hindi siya nakatayo. Hindi siya pinakaupo. So that you are free to take note of the things highlighted by each partner, each rotation. So, isa yan sa mga strategies natin for. Especially if you aim for maximum participation and interaction. Right? Okay. So, I recommended all of your preparations, including your presentations. But I have found out that may mga malls na hindi talaga siya patok. Kuha niyo? May malls na hindi patok. Nakita niyo yung bulk ng tao na nagmumulling. Nakita niyo yung scenario, saan yung dinadayo, saan yung nagtutukan, saan yung medyo kalat-kalat lang. This is the scenario of a mall. But it doesn't mean na hindi sila substantive when it comes to information giving. Kaso lang, hindi siya tinatambayan dahil madali siguro makuha ang concept, madali na digest, madali na explain, or masyadong graphical na pinila na nila na. Okay? So, wala siya sa way of presentation. Pag titignan niyo yung mga malls dyan sa tao, meron talagang malls na hindi masyado matao. Meron din talaga sagad sa tao. That's the reality. Have you seen that also in your presentation? Okay, so, ganun. Okay. Do not feel insecure of that particular scenario. Ngayon, okay, kulang na tayo ng synthesis, right? Your synthesis will be individualized activity of the team. I will give you time to synthesize the entire activity. I will be giving you or magagawin ako ng template for the synthesis. Tama? Okay. Ang gagawin after is, huwag nyo yan, when papasin nyo yan, dahan-dahan kasi you're going to submit that as a group portfolio. Okay? Nakuha nyo? Isa yan sa mga evidence of learning or evidence of so, wag yung malimutan. Hindi, yung lahat lang na nakadikit, yung mga kasi i-review mo pa yan for creativity ng presentation. Nakuha? Kasi pinaghirapan mo yan. Ginagasuhan mo yan. So, dapat meron din siyang points. Hindi na pwede wala. Okay? So, ganun. In the actual classroom scenario, whatever little amount of effort or contribution na binigay ni learner na mag-acknowledge na pag-ilan nito. Okay? Butik lang siguro yung nagawa ng isang member. Pero, emphatic yan siya kung merong goals or merong regard of the effort. Nakuha? Okay. So, sa synthesis, I will include the evaluation. Not as individual, but rather as a group. When it comes to collaboration and values formation. Paano kayo nag-iinta, magagawa ng wata. Okay. But, bawal ang negative na commentaries. It must be constructive palagi. And develop the attitude of lifting each other, especially sa constructive na evaluation. At what? Okay. Bawal ang negative, ayaw mo na negative na sila si ganito, 10 to 5 to 10 minute execution and plan delivery in the classroom. So when I say peer teaching, you will make use of your classmates as your students. You will be actual teacher. Pero, kayo magtuturo. I-assign mo kayo ng topic, may individual topic kayo. Stay on CW ng topics. And then, ituturo ka sa kanila. But, okay, si teacher lang mag-execute ng prompts kung anong dapat gawin. But the responses of the learners are presumed na hindi na talaga. For example, get one sheet of paper. Hindi na ang peer, ang class, or ang mga estudyante, hindi na pa. Pero si teacher lang ang i-observe paano niya kayo i-command, i-prompt in the execution of the delivery of the plan. Yun ang importante. In all subjects ng education, usenal or palka or kulang kung walang peer or actual teaching. So, ganun tayo siya. Meron kayong lesson planning, meron pa kayong peer teaching. So, 2 meetings will be allotted for the lesson planning, making. First meeting, second meeting will be redrafting and correcting, editing of the lesson plan, which is ready for, kahit lang man nakagawa kayo ng objective, then activities, then yung instruction and yung analysis nyo. Okay, yun lang, 4 days lang muna. Isa tayo sa 4 days. And then, yun ang dalawang meetings, lesson planning preparation. The rest of the meetings will be allotted for the individual peer teaching. So, hanggang May 8 man ang klase, right? Ang May 8 is the last day of the exam, at Saturday. Pero tayo, our last meeting will be May 7. So, ilang meetings na ika-count nyo yan, dapat pagkasyahin natin ilan kayo mag-peer. Ang recognition is really for the graduate. Kayong mga undergrad, meron anak kayong recognition ba the following semester? Pagbalik nyo. Or meron kayo ngayon. Depende kasi localize ang program ng recognition. Pero the recognition might not include this semester. It might be the whole semester. Okay?
Bakit po kami sa May 8, after 2, no class mo talaga?
It's the second semester. It's the second year. Kasi kami nga, ang last day of service namin is May 21. Pero ang graduation will start May 27 pa. So, series of graduation man yan, ilang matches. So, hindi pa namin alam kung kailan magtatapos ang graduation. Ilang graduation ang i-attend nila. Because there will be directives. Mag-end ang service namin ba, all the other activities still go on. Still yung oblige pa kami, or mandatory pa sa amin. So, sa Friday, ang gagawin is lesson planning. Mag-input ako about lesson planning. Magbigay ako ng topics before Friday, allotted for each. And then, ito yung coverage and ano. Ang gagawin
Hindi
is...
na kami lahat po ng topics.
No! Differentiated. Kasi, para iba-iba yung paggawa ng objectives. So, alam nila magawa ng objectives of the lesson plan. We have your cognitive, affective, and psychomotor. Sa case ng social studies, or depende sa topic, it doesn't mean, pero at least merong isa na objective addressed on the cognitive of the child, the cognitive aspect of the child, the affective, which is the values formation of the child, and the psychomotor, which is the action-driven activity para sa estudyante. It could be manipulative, the use of the hands and the body to execute the particular activity, or be in any other form. Basta, meron siya kasamang motor skills. Okay?
Sir,
Diba?
hindi lang sa kanila. Hindi lang po talaga.
Hindi na sila magre-respond. Ang titingnan mo lang kung paano yung potential mo as a teacher. So, hindi na yung execution ng year. Diba? Kasi hindi man rin actual process.
Yung makina lang po na-achieve mo yung mga objectives na
O, meron akong pipiliin na activity or na objective na dapat ipa-achieve kung nakukuha or wala. Hindi lahat. Kasi if we have to achieve goal, yung time is not enough yun, 10 to 15 minutes. Hindi siya enough. Kasi the typical isang klase na kompleto yung lesson plan sa basic ed is 1 hour. Pinatalis na yung 40 minutes. The lesson plan will be complete. Only the execution is now. Nag-literally lang yung incomplete. Ang plan kompleto na.
Ma'am, instructional materials.
Yes. Instructional materials. With the infusion of technology. Pwede kayong mag-video, pwede kayong mag-audio-visual, pwede din kayo mag-use of charts. Or you can make use of authentic text and materials. Okay? So, remember, sa clearing operation, wag sila. Kasi isa sa pinag sa ating. So, siguro hindi mo na ngayon package it properly. Yung pwede siyang mag-extend, pwedeng aabot kasi meron kami tinatawag na display of instructional materials and outputs ng estudyante after 3 years pa kasi package man yan. So, yung packaging nito dyan, dapat aabot siya ng 3 taon. Hindi cover sa class. Nakita ko naman, at least yan lang, yung preserving niya lang. Or mga used na tarpaulin, pwede niyong gamitin. Kasi hindi siya makakalay. Right? Nakuha? Depende ano tayo. Mag-spin the wheel.
By name, ma'am, by last name, ma'am,
Spin the wheel is the solution. Pwede din. For 90 minutes na tayo per day, we'll divide it into 15. How many minutes? Parang 10 minutes lang para pwede natin kaming 9, 8 or 9 students para makakita. Ilan kayo? 36 man kayo, right? 33. So, divide natin into 3 meetings para mag-release 11. Siguro yung iba, makaya lang yan. Parang 10 minutes lang talaga na. Hindi na aabot ng 15. Kasi pag 15 masyado, malaki yung time pa.
Pero kung before first po sila yung bali mo may list ng kung sino po
Yes, I will be giving you the assignments plus the materials. Ang gagawin is actual lesson planning, actual creation of the class. Pwede naman kayo mag-serve, but it has to be. Hindi kasi, iba kasi yung workshop talaga. Hindi yung download. It must be a lesson planning workshop. So, dito gagawin. Okay? Bring with you your room. Pwede yung tablets or laptops nyo. Or kung kaya lang sa home. Kung at home kayo. But make sure meron kayo Microsoft Word or PDF na laptop. Yes. Yes. Okay na? Okay. Thank you so much. Ang gaganda ng presentations. Yay!
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Wala, shit. Ito, ipas kay ma'am. Sorry. Wala. Kasi rin naman.